Well, do I have an absolutely beautiful video for you today? And it might make the pharmaceutical industry pretty angry with me, so what could possibly go wrong? Here we go. Going to talk to you about how to save up to 10 times the amount that you might be spending right now on Advantage II, treating your pet for fleas. And the hack is super simple. Instead of buying that expensive Advantage II for your pet, you are going to buy Advantage II. Stop, don't go anywhere. What you're gonna do is buy Advantage II for extra large dogs. Extra large dog, so this one here I bought is for up to a 25 kilogram dog, so a big dog. Buy the biggest Advantage II you can get your hands on. It doesn't really matter exactly what the weight is. So a quick disclaimer, I'm not a vet, so take this for what it's worth. And what I've seen several people saying that their vets have told them is that Advantage II is all the same. So whether it's for a small cat, a small dog, a large dog, all the same. All that's different is the dosage. So in my case, right now to buy Advantage II for a small cat, for 2 monthly doses, it would cost me $45 Canadian roughly. So to buy this one, which I have here, Advantage II for extra large dogs, it would cost me around $50 Canadian right now. So only like $5 more expensive to buy the one for extra large dogs versus buying the one for a small kitty cat. And the kicker is, so this one here, you open up the package, you get 2 of these packages, which contains a little container of flea killer, the treatment. So the small cat, if I were to buy the small cat flea treatment, the Advantage II, this thing would contain 0.4 milliliters of stuff. And this one here for an extra, and you'd get 2 of those. This one here that I got for the extra large dogs contains, I don't know if you can see it, if it's gonna show up on camera, but it contains 4 milliliters. So this little thingy here contains 10 times the amount of treatment versus the one that I would get if I would buy for a small kitty cat. And from what I understand, like I said, it's the same stuff. So I'll throw a chart up onto the screen at some point in this video just showing the dosage. So super simple, what you're gonna do, you are not going to dump this all on your cat. That would be bad, don't do that. Do this all at your own risk. What you need to do is take this 4 milliliters of stuff and apply 0.4 milliliters to your small cat. If it's a large cat, it's gonna be a bigger amount, but for a small cat, which is probably a lot of your cats, the treatment right now is 0.4 milliliters. So what I do, you want to take a small container, like a little thing, whatever you have. I'm going to pour some of that into here. Then to get the right dosage, I'm going to use, in my case, like a Tylenol syringe, put 0.4 milliliters in here, and then apply it to my cat as basically normal. Well, maybe I'll show you how to do that. It's super simple. Probably if you're already treating your cat, it's exactly the same. So hopefully what I'm explaining is clear. Basically, the secret is that from my understanding, what's in this container is the same stuff that's in the stuff for a small cat. So you just have to get the dosage right, follow the chart. Super simple. Dose it according to your pet size, whether it's a cat or a dog. Be careful, measure correctly and stuff. You don't want to screw this up, you don't want to get it wrong. So probably in the comments, some people are going to be like, I would never do that to my cat. That's not safe. That's fine. There's just a suggestion, just a tip. If you want to save money, if you love spending $20+ every treatment for your cat, go ahead, that's fine. But for a lot of us, we're not really a big fan of spending $20+ every month on a single cat. The married ones are more, just kidding, dad joke. But if you have multiple cats, that can definitely add up. If you have like 3 cats, $20 a month, that's $60 a month. And with the extra large dog thing, you're spending almost like 1/10 of that amount. So instead of spending like $20, it'll be a little over 2. So to me, that's a no-brainer. So I'll try to show you how I do the dosage. So I take my little vial here, or whatever you want to call this. It just pops off. In my case, I just got a little measuring scoop thing. I'm gonna just pour a bit of this into here. You can't see it, but it's in there. Then you want to put the lid back on this. Make sure the lid's secure. Maybe put it in a bag or something. You don't want this to dump. So at this point now, I've got some fluid into here. Ideally, you want to get I would say a small container is better than like some with a huge surface area on the bottom, because what I'm going to do after I'm done is put the remainder, squeeze it back into the tube. So I got some in here now. So this Tylenol syringe, it does not have 0.4 on it. It does have 0.5. So I'm just gonna have to eyeball it a little bit. So, it's not gonna be exact, but you don't want to be way off, but get as close as you can. And now we can go treat our cat. So this is Mitz. Hi Mitz. You're gonna be a star on YouTube. There might be 100 people that watch you get treated with a large dog treatment. Yeah, you lazy thing. All right, let's treat this guy. So see if I can do this while holding my camera. So what you want to do is expose the skin. It's tricky. Yeah, he was sleeping. It'd be better if he were doing something. See what's going on. I think I need to get him to stand up. You stand up, buddy? All right. We got him standing up. He's maybe confused what's going on. And just try to expose the skin. Oh. That was a bit crazy, but it's on the back of his neck. I think the reason for the back of the neck is just so that they can't eat it. You don't want them to lick that, but yeah. Hey, buddy. We cheaped out on you. Do you know that? What do you think about that? World's laziest cat. Anyway, that's that. So after you've filled up your syringe, what I would do is just suck up the leftover stuff back into the bottle. If you have a little container with a secure lid, you could just keep it in there instead of putting it back in here. I'm not so lucky. So I'm just gonna squeeze. If you're doing what I'm doing, just squeeze the bottle to get the air out of it. Keep it squeezed, dunk it in, release, and repeat as needed to clean that out. There. It's probably about as good as it's gonna get. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because it's a risky venture taking on Big Pharma, and that's what we did today. Hope you liked the video. Take care. Bye.